Now, in Seussville, things get a little bit silly, right? Because in the world of Dr. Seuss, fish can be red and blue. A cat can wear a hat with lots of things on his head. Things can be as creative as we can imagine them to be, right?
Yeah.
That's the best thing about Dr. Seuss is how much imagination he has. So we are going to use our imagination to create our own Dr. Seuss land. Now, let me tell you what's going to happen. When you get back to your seat, the first thing that you're going to find is a green board. This is the bottom of your land. When I get back to my seat, I'm going to use a pencil. And I'm going to write my name and my top secret class code. Oh, you have to say it like I say it. And then I'm going to flip it like a pancake. When I have that done, if our Garvin sees me really quiet, I'm gonna get some modeling clay. Good job. You guys can hold your bubbles now. Now, when I come around with the modeling clay, because you already have your name and your class code, you're going to pick out a clay. Now, some of them are white and some of them are colored. Doesn't matter what you get because we're going to make it super duper colorful regardless. Now, when you get this, watch very carefully how you open it. You go to the top and you look for a little tiny line in there. You can rip it or you can pull it open like this. Or if you can't get it, I'll come around with scissors. Now, once you get it open, you want to rip it out, and you want to make sure you get all the clay out. So make sure there's not any stuck in there. Now, set our garbage to the side. Now, we're going to take our clay, and we're going to sort of smush it into like an oval. We're going to smush this oval right down on our mat. Now, it's stuck there because I pushed it down. Now we're going to build our Dr. Seuss land. On your desk, you're going to find a tray with lots of wacky items. You can use up to 6 wacky items. I can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wacky items.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so for my 6 wacky items, I'm going to go with one of these, one of these, one of these, and one of these. That's 4. How many more do I need? Okay, so down here there's some shorter ones, and I feel like these shorter ones are going to be good too. That looks perfect to me. Okay. Now I'm ready to start working on my wacky world. I'm going to start with this guy here. Now I'm just going to push one part of him down in so that he stays in my clay. And I'm going to sort of loop-de-loo him all around and come back down in there. Make this, you guys can see it really good, okay? So now I have a little bit of an arch in my wacky land. Ooh, next I'm going to put this. It's got a circle on top. I made a circle by connecting it and twisting it. And then maybe I'll twist this part around too. So this is sort of going to be my center of my wacky world. And then I have this pink one. I'm going to make it zigzag. You guys see how it zigzags? Oops. Oh yeah, that's cool. And put it over here. Push it all the way down in so it stays. Now I'm going to add in my 2 feathers. So I'm going to do one right here. One over here. Oh, now that is looking like a really cool Seuss wacky sculpture. So now we've made, we made a sculpture that is three-dimensional. That means it goes up and down, side to side, and front to back. Up and down, side to side, and front and back. And now it's time for me to create a story. So you're going to create a story about your Seussville. Like, there's a little hay down here, and he's calling up to the hill up here, and then he has to jump through the hoop here, and he comes back down to his home. That's how he gets home from work every single day. He boings, slides through here, runs down the feather, and tickles until he lands in his home. Now, if you have extra time, I'm going to bring around some supplies, and you can draw around here. You could put some designs or draw some whatever it is you like down there. Capiche?
Capiche.